In this video, we are going to compare NordVPN and Turbo VPN to see which one is better overall. We will go through their pros, cons, features, and pricing to help you decide which one is worth using. There is also a link in the description to try NordVPN for a great price if you want to check it out after watching this video. Let's begin with speed. NordVPN is known for being fast and stable. It uses a protocol called NordLynx, which gives you smooth and reliable performance even on distant servers. You can stream, download, or browse the web without any delay. Turbo VPN, on the other hand, can be slower and less consistent. Some users have also reported connection drops and lag when streaming or downloading large files. So, for speed and stability, NordVPN performs better. Next, let's talk about privacy and security. NordVPN has a strict no-logs policy that has been checked and confirmed by independent audits. It uses advanced encryption, RAM-only servers, and tools like Double VPN and Onion over VPN for extra protection. Turbo VPN also promises to protect your privacy, but it does not have any verified audits. Some reports have raised concerns about its data collection and ownership transparency. If you value strong online privacy, NordVPN is a much safer choice. Now let's look at streaming and unblocking. NordVPN works smoothly with Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer, and many other platforms. It can easily bypass geo-blocks and gives consistent results. TurboVPN can sometimes access Netflix or YouTube, but it is unreliable and may fail often. If you like streaming shows from different countries, NordVPN is clearly more dependable. In terms of pricing, TurboVPN has a free version, but it comes with limited speed, ads, and fewer security features. Its paid version is cheaper, but still lacks the advanced protection and performance you get from NordVPN. NordVPN's long-term plans are very affordable and include a full set of features, which makes it better value overall. When it comes to ease of use, both VPNs are simple to install and use. NordVPN's app is more polished and offers extra features like MeshNet, which lets you connect your devices securely. TurboVPN's app is basic and works fine for quick use, but it does not offer much control or customization. For support, NordVPN provides 24-hour live chat and fast email responses. TurboVPN only offers limited support, and response times can be slow. So, if you ever run into issues, NordVPN is more reliable. To sum it up, TurboVPN may look appealing because of its free plan, but it comes with limits, slower speeds, and privacy concerns. NordVPN is faster, more secure, and more trustworthy overall. It's a better option for streaming, browsing, and staying safe online. If you want to try NordVPN for a great price, use the link in the description. It gives you full access to all premium features and helps you stay private and protected every time you go online.